As Cape Town flood victims try to pick up the pieces, residents of informal settlements are the most vulnerable. Among the measures being taken by the City of Cape Town's disaster risk management was the distribution of sandbags to help mitigate the flooding caused by the torrential rains. Newzroom Afrika reporter Nasiphi Same filed this report.
Despite the heavy rain subsiding, 41 informal settlements in the city of Cape Town, including Z section in Masiphumelele, are still struggling to cope with the aftermath.
Yeah, we didn't get sandbags. The only thing that was delivered from us, it was trucks of sand. That doesn't help much because when it's raining, that sand is swept away with water because we have got so many sections here in the wetlands. Yeah, about 1,400 people that lives here in Masiphumelele. So I think some 800 people that are affected now by this. At winter, our problem is this, it's water. During that, what do they call it, spring, it's wind. So that blows these shakes. And then at summer, again, we have another problem of fire. So this is out of hand.
Some residents have taken proactive measures, elevating their homes above the ground in a bid to minimize the risk of future flooding.
Siyazichophisa kuba asinachoice asinandawo zohlala. Lamanzi xa ndicinga ngokunoba uphela phaa ngo-October lamanzi. Azohlala azawuthi ajika abe green. Anuke. Kube kwingcongconi.
Concerns persist, particularly for those residing in wetland areas where the soil remains waterlogged.
Izawuba nje labazapha iphela iwinter. Yabo. Because iqale iwinter ekhona. Kuyafuma ngaphakathi. Yabo. The fever, the fever
Ayanda Valu, at a sports field, a survivor of a devastating fire in Masiphumelele 3 years ago, and among the more than 1,000 residents temporarily housed there by the government. However, she says the structures provided are now deteriorating. With the heavy rains, water seeps in from below and through the rusty iron sheets used for roofing.
So amanzi awahambi kahle angena ngaphakathi akhona into okwazi uyenza musezulu ukuthi makungenzi into awuyiphakamisa awuyithini so sinyamezele ngohlobo kwakuthiwe maziye kwezinye ihlobo zili.
Among the hardest hit areas are Khayelitsha, Strand, Gugulethu, Soloris Pass Village, Walliston, Fakieskraal, Bloekenbos and Hout Bay, communities that are already facing socio-economic challenges. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nasiphi Same in Masiphumelele in Fish Hoek.